To restore a sword, first wipe away any obvious dust or debris with a cloth. If it's rusty, grab some 220 grit sandpaper and carefully work the sandpaper back and forth over the rust until it starts to wear away. Wear cut-resistant gloves to do this if your sword is newer or still sharp. Once most of the rust is gone, move up to a 600 grit sandpaper and repeat the process until the surface of the blade or handle is perfectly smooth. If any discoloration remains, use a sheet of 1500 grit sandpaper to wear it away. Next, gently run a clean sheet of 600 grit sandpaper back and forth over the entire surface of the blade and handle. This will smooth out any scratches you created when you were removing the rust and keep your sword surface looking uniform. Then, squirt some metal polishing paste along any surface you want to clean up. Get a buffing wheel or a rotary tool with a cloth attachment and begin working the polish into the sword. Keep your wheel or tool moving to avoid buffing any one portion of the sword for too long. Once a portion is completely clean and shiny, move on to another portion of the sword. When you're done, give it one final wipe down with a microfiber cloth to remove any excess polish. Keep in mind, if you have an antique sword or you're keen on preserving the value of the sword, do not attempt to restore the sword at home. Take it to a professional and have them take a look at it before they restore it.